I can't hit my protein goals.
I can't hit my protein goals.
Yeah, no, I literally haven't been able to. So today, let's scale out natural chunk chicken breast. This thing is crazy. 19 grams of protein per serving, and there's 4 servings per container. So 19 times 4, 20 times 4 is 80. So about, well, 76 grams. 76 grams of protein in this one can. It's 90 calories. 84 grams is a serving size. So let's scale out for 84 grams. Change the unit. Around grams. Would you eat that? Zero that. 84 grams. Let's go. Looking for 84 grams. Hey, got that right on the money. That's 1 serving size, 84 grams of chicken. That's 19 grams of protein right there. Let's get it. Obviously, I'm gonna make it tastier. Let me show you guys. So I'm just gonna eat the whole thing because I'm under and I'm not really eating anything else. But to make this taste better, I'm gonna do tahini. Zero calories. Some sriracha. 0 calories. And a lemon, which I'm gonna say like 5 calories. What do you think? Would you eat this? Let's try it. Not bad. I mean, not the best thing in the world, but not bad at all. So for this one, there was about 2.5 serving sizes. So my total calories are like 224 for all of this, which that gives me about 47.5 grams of protein, which by all means, that's pretty good. But I have to eat all this chicken. I have to eat all this chicken. That's a lot of chicken.